Are you a nonprofit organization stuck in a rut struggling to raise and keep the funds flowing? We understand the challenges. It can be a constant battle trying to keep people interested in your worthy cause. Are your volunteers feeling fed up spending countless hours in the kitchen baking cakes and cookies? Then weary of the task needed packaging all the treats for sale? Not to mention your nonprofit organization constantly on the hamster fundraising wheel, asking businesses for items to donate for raffle prizes or cash for upcoming projects. There's a better way to secure a steady stream of passive income into your nonprofit organization, without none of that back-breaking work up front. A method that's both effective and effortless. We know that you are passionate about your cause, but it can be exhausting day in day out. You deserve more than just crumbs from endless cookie sales. Get ready to transform your fundraising and let your cause shine brighter. It's time to revolutionize your nonprofit organization approach to fundraising. Imagine receiving 100% matching donor donations with every purchase for your worthy cause. Imagine a stress-free way of raising funds passively where you have income flowing in for your projects. We make it possible to break free from the cycle of fundraising and create a better, more sustainable future for nonprofit everywhere. Contact Yvonne or use the link below. Your nonprofit organization's success is important to her. Share your organization's needs and goals. Let's discuss income-generated solutions that ease your struggle for creating financial income for your nonprofit.